In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send a folder in Gmail. Knowing how to share a folder can make collaboration smoother and organizing files a breeze. Let's dive right into it. First, it's important to note that Gmail itself doesn't allow you to attach an entire folder directly. But don't worry, there's a simple workaround for this. What you'll need to do is convert your folder into a zip file. This process essentially compresses your folder, making it manageable for uploading and sharing via email. To get started, locate the folder you want to send on your computer. Once you've found it, right-click on the folder. A menu will appear, offering several options. Look for an option that says Compress or Send to. It can vary depending on your operating system. If you're using Windows, you'll select Send to, and from the submenu, choose Compressed Zipped Folder. On a Mac, you'll simply select Compress. This action will create a new file, a zip file, that retains all the contents of your original folder, but in a format that's suitable for sending via email. Once you've created your zip file, the next step is to open Gmail. Sign into your account, and click on the Compose button, typically found on the left-hand side of your Gmail dashboard. This will open a new email message window. Now, focus on addressing your email. In the To field, enter the recipient's email address. Ensure you have the right address to avoid any delivery issues. It's always a good idea to include a brief yet informative subject. Something like files you requested or project documents should suffice. Move on to the body of the email. Though you're not required to, including a short message is always courteous. It's a good opportunity to inform the recipient of the contents of the folder or any other pertinent details. Next, it's time for the main event: attaching your zip file. Click on the paperclip icon located at the bottom of the email composition window. This will open a File Explorer window, prompting you to choose a file to attach. Navigate to your zip file's location, select it, and click Open. Within a few seconds, depending on the file size and your internet speed, you should see the file attached to your email. Before hitting the Send button, it's always wise to double-check everything. Ensure you've got the right recipient address, a coherent subject, and that your zip file is properly attached. Once you've confirmed all these details, go ahead and click the Send button. And there you have it. You've successfully sent a folder via Gmail. By converting it to a zip file, you've made file sharing both convenient and efficient. Be sure to let your recipient know to unzip the file on their end to access its full contents. Thank you for tuning in, and I hope this guide has been helpful. Happy emailing!